Welcome to the online 3D modeling tool VECTARY. Let me give you a quick introduction and show you the basics of how it works. Let's name this project first. The first thing you see is the grid. It helps you with the orientation of the scene. Hold the left mouse button down and drag it to rotate the scene. Hold the right mouse button down and drag to pan. Scroll your mouse to zoom in or out. Now, let's start with drawing an object. Make sure you have the Snap to Grid function turned on. It will make drawing objects a lot easier. In VECTARY, you can draw directly with simple objects such as a sphere, or you can start from scratch and draw lines like I do. Cancel drawing with right mouse click. Choose Face Selection in the selection tools above the scene. Select the face of the drawing. Now you are able to make a transformation or extend a selection. Hold Shift and drag the gizmo to make it 3D. Now let's smooth our heart a bit. Click on the Smoothing tool. It will turn your low poly model into a high density model. And now what we're missing is color. Just pick one from here. Here we go. The main modeling tools are on the left side, and more of them will pop up when they're ready to be used. But first, you have to select what you want to modify. VECTARY uses unique selection tools. You can find them at the top of the scene. Remember that they are visible only when you have an object on the scene. The most important is the Selection Type menu, where you can enable or disable the selection of points, lines, faces, or layers. You can get to more advanced selections in the selection jog. To bring it out, just double-click on your object. To deselect an object, press Escape or click anywhere on the blank area. Use the Marquee tool or Lasso tool for partial selection, or just click on the items you want to select. Click on Fit View and your object gets centered. You can now apply tools from the toolbar on the left. For example, let's scale this shape a bit. To do that, just drag the outline shape on the gizmo. Your object appears here in the right bottom corner as a layer. Add a new layer easily with this button. Want to create more complex shapes? Just apply various parametric plugins from the plugins list. When you're done, don't forget to save your model. You can also export it as a printable 3D file. You can keep your model private or publish it on VECTARY for everybody to see, share, and customize. Name your project if you haven't done so already. Describe it, take a few screenshots, add some tags, and click Publish Settings. To learn more about 3D modeling in VECTARY, you can use our Help Center. Go through the interactive help, step-by-step tutorials, videos, and user guides to get acquainted with the tool. And that's it. Have a nice time exploring VECTARY.